Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello students, welcome to our English class. Today we will discuss about explanation text. Okay, first look at base competence that we will study. Kompetensi dasar KD 4.8. Menangkap makna secara kontekstual terkait fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan explanation text, lisan dan tulis, terkait gejala alam atau sosial yang tercakup dalam mata pelajaran lain di kelas 11. Berikutnya, indikator. Indikator yang pertama adalah menjelaskan fungsi sosial explanation text. Kemudian yang kedua, menjelaskan struktur explanation text. Ketiga, menjelaskan unsur kebahasaan explanation text. Dan yang terakhir, menyimpulkan isi explanation text. Okay, go to the matrix. What do you see in the picture? Yes, it rains. And how does it occur? Okay, let's discuss about explanation text. Explanation text is a text that tells processing, relating, forming of phenomena. It can be the form of natural, social, scientific, and cultural phenomena. This text tells about how and why the forming of the phenomena. It tells about how it happens and why or what it caused. The generic structure of explanation text are general statements, sequence of explanation, and conclusions. Okay, let's discuss one by one. First, the general statements. It introduces something or subject to be explained. For example, if we want to talk about rains first, we must introduce rains at first. Second, a sequence of explanation is arranged in chronological order to illustrate how or why the subject happens or how it works without using human participants. And the last is a conclusions, but it's optional. It puts all the information together. Next, about language feature of explanation text. This text focuses on generic. It means non-human participants. It uses mainly of matter and relational processes. This text uses mainly temporal and causal circumstance and conjunctions. It's like first, second, third, and we may use then, finally, and others. The third is use of passive voice. Like the method that we have discussed before, the passive voice, indicated by subject to be plus verb 3. And the last, the most of these texts use simple present tense. It's to see current facts. At some time, you may use simple past tense to see historical fact. Related with the picture that I have seen to you before, this is the text that talk about rains. The title is How Does Rain Happen? This text has 3 paragraphs. Let's analyze about the structure of this text. The first paragraph is general statements. It tells about the rains. Second paragraph is about the sequence of explanations. It tells about how and why rain happens. And the last paragraph, it tells about the conclusions. Okay, let's discuss about the language feature. In the first paragraph, we found simple present here and here using to be, is, and verb 1. And we found about the circumstance or conjunction. In here we found then and finally. And the last, this is the part of passive voice, indicated by to be plus verb 3. Okay, this is the cycle of the rains related with the text before about the rains. Okay, from the picture we may look at about this. The sun hitting the earth's surface water as the water vapor is the process of evaporation, and it's causing the surface water to evaporate. The water vapor rises into the earth's atmosphere, to the coach. It cools and condenses as the process of condensation. It's condensed into liquid droplets and grow until they are heavy and fall to the earth as precipitations, which can the form of rain. Okay, this is the cycle of the rains. Okay, this is the metri, and next we go to evaluations. In here, I give you the text. This is the explanation text. It's about earthquakes. First, read the text and then answer the question. There are 5 questions. The first is, what is the purpose of the writer writing this text? The second is, what does the second paragraph tell us about? The third is, do you find the use of passive voice in the text above? Mention it. And the fourth is, what tense is mostly used in the text above? And the last, add information that you know related to the topic above. Then record and share it with the class. Okay, students, I wait your works to be submitted. And I think enough for this day. Thank you for attention. Good luck for you. It's about me. Okay, good luck for you. Goodbye and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.